Hi there, students. Remorse. Remorse is an emotion of regret, to feel penitent, to feel compunction about what you've done, to feel guilty, to be repentant because you wish you hadn't done that. Remorse, a noun. Remorseful, an adjective. Remorsefully, an adverb. And remorsefulness, a noun talking about the quality of remorse. So you feel remorse when you do something and you know it's wrong, and then you feel distressed or ashamed about what you've done. Maybe you do something that's wrong, or something that you think is shameful, or maybe something that you think is hurtful to others. And then you suffer afterwards. Yeah? You're suffering about your misdeeds in the past. Oh, I wish I hadn't done that. It was terrible. I shouldn't have done it. Regret and guilt about past actions. Yeah? A type of self-resentment, if you like. So he stole the money and went out and got drunk. And the next day he felt very remorseful. Yeah? He was full of remorse. So he went to apologize. To apologize is one way of showing remorse. He got really drunk last night, and he now feels very remorseful that he got so drunk. Maybe it's to do with the hangover, but maybe he's thinking it's bad for my health as well. He felt a great deal of remorse at sleeping with his friend's wife. Is that really his friend? So remorse, it's this bad feeling that you get after you've done something and you know you shouldn't have done it because you know it was wrong. It was not the right thing to do. Yeah? Maybe many students feel remorse that they didn't study English harder when they were kids. Yeah? Do you feel remorseful that you didn't study English more at school? Or maybe you did. Okay, you could use the phrase, he shows no remorse for his actions. He doesn't feel guilty at all. So, if you show no remorse for your actions, you could be remorseless, without remorse. But careful of this word remorseless, because we more often use remorseless to mean never stopping, unrelenting. The storm was remorseless and kept hitting the ship on and on. Her demands for money were remorseless. They never stopped. Okay? So be careful of this word remorseless. Okay, it comes from Latin remordere, to bite again. Yeah, mordere, to bite, and re, again. Okay, so you do something and it comes back to bite you. Yeah, be careful what you do because it could come back and bite you. There's even a proverb like that. Okay, I think this is probably neutral formality, maybe a 6 in formality. I think you could use remorse in an informal conversation in the pub, but I think I might use the phrase to feel guilty, to feel bad about. And maybe remorse is better for something semi-formal or very formal, okay? So, remorse. I shouldn't have done that. It was such a bad thing to do. I really wish I hadn't done it. Yeah? So it's like you're repenting your sins. You're thinking about what you did and you feel bad about yourself or angry with yourself because you succumbed to temptation. Okay? So, remorse. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Remorse, remorseful, remorsefully, remorsefulness, and remorseless.